Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. So today you're looking at a piece here that I have already added the texture to. I used modeling paste and a few other ingredients to create this texture, and if you want to know more about that, you can head over to my Patreon channel. That's where the full video for this is. But in this tutorial, I am going to focus mainly on the acrylic inks that I used to add the color to this texture. So it kind of turned into a wave for me. So I'm going to be using these Kamenskaya Acrylic Inks. These are brand new to me. They do come in a pack of 4. I got these on Amazon. I'll tell you the colors in a little bit. But then I also did use this golden Prussian blue. And what's nice about these golden fluids and tri-art fluids is they act very much like an acrylic ink, and you can mix them with water and you still get these beautiful colors. So and the colors don't break apart like if you would add like an acrylic, a heavier body acrylic to it. You have to be really careful about how much water you add because you don't want the pigments to break apart. So these acrylic inks work really well for adding to water and really getting them fluid to be able to blend these colors the way that I want them to blend. So I just put in about an ounce of water and just a squirt of each of them. Did not measure. It's probably about a half a teaspoon of ink per water. And what's cool is this was part of the water challenge that I gave my Patreons for last month, and they had to create something inspired by water and show their inspiration pictures to what they've created, and I'm so proud of them. Look at how amazing each of them did. I definitely see the inspiration in each and every one of these, so I'm super proud of everyone. Diane Stahl, which you just saw, will be going after me. She showed her creation video for those beautiful waves that she created, and these are all part of my Patreon group. So if you're interested in becoming a Patreon, head over to patreon.com and look up Pieces of Tara Artistry. We have a really good time. We have a chat and a really great community. We have challenges. You get exclusive videos. So yeah, that's head over and check that out if you're interested. So I'm going to start laying down these inks in water. So that was the Prussian blue. This is turquoise. And then I will be laying down Monaco, which is this next color. And the last color that I'm going to be using toward like the center of that wave is Duck Egg. So it's kind of more of that little bit of a greenish tint to it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this to music, guys. Let you guys watch. Appreciate you all being here. Again, go check out Diane Stahl Creative Arts, and I will go ahead and link her in the description box as well. But yeah, she will be sharing with you guys her wave coasters that she created. So I started with this silicone brush. I did not like the way that it was working, so I did switch over to just a regular paintbrush, and I'm going to use my mister to help wet the canvas and to help blend those acrylics together. So if you like what you're seeing, guys, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I've got some fun stuff coming up. I've been very busy. I'm sure you guys have noticed I haven't put out any videos in quite some time. It's been a very busy summer here so far for us. So I am back and back home and in my studio more often coming up. So I will have some more fun stuff that I've been kind of working on the side to share with you. So stick with me, guys, and thank you for being here. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hope you enjoy the rest of this video.